In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock cells in Zoho Sheet. If you've ever found yourself needing to make edits to a locked cell range or sheet in Zoho Sheet, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process step by step, making it easy to follow and apply. First, you'll need to navigate to the Data tab, which you can find in the top menu of your Zoho Sheet interface. The Data tab is your gateway to a variety of options that help manage and manipulate your data, so it's a good place to get familiar with if you haven't already. Once you're in the Data tab, look for an option labeled Lock. Hover over this, and you'll notice a drop-down menu unfold. Now, select Manage Lock Settings from the available options to dive into the specifics of managing locked cells. Upon clicking Manage Lock Settings, a dialog box will appear. This dialog box is your control center for all things related to locking and unlocking cell ranges and sheets. It will present to you a list of all the cell ranges and sheets that are currently locked, giving a comprehensive view of what has restricted access. Next to each locked item, you'll notice a small green lock icon. This icon not only signifies that these items are locked, but also indicates the specific collaborator who currently has access restrictions. In order to unlock a specific range or sheet for a particular collaborator, locate their name in the list. Adjacent to their name, you should see that small green lock icon. When you click directly on this icon, you're essentially instructing Zoho Sheet to remove the lock, thereby granting you or other users the freedom to edit the contents of that range or sheet. The green lock icon will disappear, signaling that the item is now unlocked and open for collaboration. And there you have it. That's all it takes to unlock cells in Zoho Sheet. This simple yet powerful feature enhances your ability to manage who can edit the data within your sheets, ensuring that you have the control you need over your collaborative documents. By periodically reviewing the lock settings, you can maintain the integrity and availability of your data without unnecessary bottlenecks. Remember, locking and unlocking are pivotal in maintaining the security and usability of your shared spreadsheets, so handling them with clarity and precision is key. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher on unlocking cells in Zoho Sheet.